Well, it's official. Cancellation rates are on the rise. In fact, around 30% of real estate transactions that go into escrow right now end up canceling. Since listings with canceled deals often end up selling for less money, what can you do to minimize the chances of your buyer flaking out? As an experienced agent, I've dealt with uncertain buyers many times before, and that's why today I'm sharing why buyers are leaving deals in this market, and I'm explaining what you can do to stop a cancellation before it even happens. So number one is buyer's remorse. The market is definitely slower than it used to be, but that doesn't mean buyers aren't feeling pressure to make decisions quickly. Due to market competition, economic news, the election, a ton of other issues, a lot of buyers want to finalize a deal ASAP, and as a result, many of them jump into deals way before they're ready. So to prevent this, get your agent to vet potential buyers better than they've ever done before. If they're pre-approved and have a strong motivation for moving, they'll be much more likely to follow through on the purchase of your home. Number two is inspection issues. The number one reason why housing transactions fall apart is because of inspection issues. A buyer might absolutely fall in love with your home and have a full intentions of following through with the purchase, only to have problems come up during the inspection that just give them cold feet. This is especially an issue in our markets as buyers, you guys, they don't have a lot of extra free cash for repairs, especially because of the higher interest rates and just the lack of affordability with everything right now in our economy. So this is why I highly recommend what's called the pre-listing home inspection. I talk about this often. And this way you can take care of any potential problem up front. You can go into the negotiation with just a lot more leverage. And then number three is just drawn out negotiations. The longer you spend negotiating, the more chances you give your buyer to walk. In my experience, most of these drawn out negotiations are the result of appraisals coming in lower than what you expected. And that obviously changes your financial situation as well. That's why it's super critical to price your home appropriately. Every seller I've ever talked to wants the highest price possible, but you still got to live in reality and understand that the market has slowed down a little bit. And it's really important, more important than it has been in a long time, to price your home accordingly. Whether you're planning on selling soon or years down the road, it really does pay to plan ahead. Call or email us for a free, no obligation, pre-sale consultation. We'll go over your neighborhood, the market, staging, and more. We look forward to hearing from you.